What's up, everybody? Just want to do a quick unboxing of the SHURE MV88 video kit. Thanks to my local SHURE rep for sending this over to me for a unboxing and a review. Let's get into it. So right off the bat, I saw this at CES this year and it looked really interesting to me, and it won a few awards actually. So this is meant for vloggers, filmmakers, musicians, and podcasters. So the cool thing is they actually did a little collaboration with Manfrotto, which I always use their products, like this little Lite, and my camera right now is on the Manfrotto Pixie, which this actually comes with. Let's get into the unboxing, shall we? Whoop. So first we have the Manfrotto Pixie with the SHURE branding on it. Can that focus in on that? Can we focus in on that, please? There we go. Love this little tripod. This is my everyday tripod, whether my GoPro is on it or my Panasonic G85. Let's see what else we have in the box. Ooh. We have a little roll-up pouch that puts everything inside. Let's open this up and see what we have. Alrighty, so we have a micro USB to Lightning. Then we have, this is probably for Androids, we have, looks like a micro USB to USB-C. We have the SHURE branded clamp. Let's see. Oh, looks like it will fit pretty much every phone that's out there. Moving on, we have the mic clamp, also SHURE branded. For the grand finale, dun, 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 the SHURE microphone. Left, right, little windscreen that I believe comes off. We're not gonna try that. Okay, cool. On the back, we have your port, micro USB, going into your phone, whether it be Android or iPhone. And we also have a headphone input for monitoring your audio, whether you're in a concert, podcast, whatever. So what SHURE has done for this kit is they've created an app, one for video and also one for audio. And everything can be controlled within the app. You can control your microphone, whether it be shotgun style or even left to right. So if you're over here and your other person is over here, you can control it. Turns off the shotgun part of it, which is awesome. That was aggressive, I know. Okay. All right, so just like that, now you are set up for anything really. Vlogging, cinematography, concerts, and you're going to get amazing audio out of this microphone. And I will show you the app right now. All right, so now I'm gonna open up the app, which is called Motive Video. They also have one for Motive Audio. Open the app, and there we go. And as you can see, right here is your audio levels, and it is very, very responsive. And you also have all your controls over here. Frame rates, shooting 4K, all of that stuff, and you can also adjust all of your microphone settings. And as you can see, it lets you switch between talking, music, you know, concerts, podcasts, what have you. It also lets you change the polar pattern. It has a limiter, a compressor, high pass filter. So yeah, it's really, really great for audio. So here we are, full kit. This is on the iPhone 8 Plus, but this is with the MV88 kit. Microphone audio I have set pointing straight at me, shotgun style. Let's see how it sounds. Let me know what you guys think. Sound good? Let me know. So like I said, this is just a quick unboxing video. It wasn't supposed to be a review. This is just my, you know, setup, quick setup, just to show you guys what it's all about. I'm gonna do a review. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. You know the deal. Subscribe, like. Let me know what you guys think. Is this something that you would use? I think it's pretty great, especially with this little tripod. Solid. All right, guys. Peace.